Hello, so guys, welcome to my new brand video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Cash App. Something went wrong. Please check your network connection. If you have facing this problem, then you have need watch this video and solve your problems. Firstly, let's get started this video without wasting time. So go back on your main menu. After then go back on your main menu and enter into the mobile settings. You see, enter into the mobile settings and check your internet connection. If your internet connection is not properly work, so connect your Wi-Fi connection and open your Cash App. If you have still facing this problem, so secondary option, go on your app management. If you have using iPhone, so just enter into the iPhone storage and just click Cash App and offload your Cash App application. If you have using Android mobile, so just enter into the app application or app management. Here you see loading. Don't forget subscribe my channel. Please wait. Here you see different apps. So search it Cash App. Here you see Cash App. So just enter into the Cash App application and tap on storage usage. Tap on storage usage. Then clear data and clear cache. You see after then clear data and clear cache. Then back. Here you see permission. So just enter into the permission and allow the storage permission. And back and click second option storage usage till then and enable the background data and back full to full back and go back main menu. After then go back main menu and enter into the Play Store app and App Store. Play Store app and App Store, enter. After that tap on search bar and search it Cash App and check it your Cash App application update or not update. If your application is not updated, firstly update your application from here and your problems 100% has been solved. If my video was helpful, so like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching for my video.